All right, guys, we got something special for you guys today. We got this beautifully just lifted Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Got a 6-inch lift on it, or probably 4 or 6-inch lift. Got really nice, beautiful tires, wheels. When we got done on it, we did duals on it a while back, and he wants it louder now that he lifted it. So there's the stock converters there and there. Then it's got a third converter there. Then we have a Y pipe. We cut the muffler off and put straight pipe, Y pipe duals on it. That's the original tailpipes that we done a while back. There and there. Into 4-inch double wall tips. There and there. So we cut off the muffler, the Super 10. It wasn't loud enough, and we straight piped it for him. Next step, we'll probably put high flow cats if he wants it louder after that. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Silverado. Beast of a truck. I love Chevys. See, 2 Chevys. Side by side. Lifted, not lifted. Lifted, not lifted. Anyways, he just got it lifted too. He said, I need it louder. My kind of guy. Really nice look to it.